Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you just local updates for Hamster with my customer request. Let's dive in. Alright guys, first one, we landed even under the best zone to buy. So this is on a beat get, and this was after listing, you remember the 0.2014, 0.3099. So this is a best zone for accumulation Hamster. And if you believe in this project guys, I'm not a fan of Hamster. I'm not a fan of all this ton ecosystem, not coin, dogs, hamster, caddy. Cat is an maybe it's okay. But hamster, it looks not like a scam. All of these tokens are just a pump and dump. I don't like, the top games. I don't like the, not a ton. I don't like the not hamster. People just wasted a lot of time with these games. Maybe someone is get a huge rewards if they use multi-hacking, and some soft, but spend a time and spend your lifetime for stupid games. It's just not make sense. That's why now we landed under and now trying to break the 0.86 level by FIB, like resistance. And in validation of this idea, if we will see something like drop, bounce, drop, bounce, drop, bounce, and we have to break this high if we want to talk about at least some local bottom, because if not, we can see even the move like this one this August. That's why guys, be careful. The crucial moment, we have to break at least this high, and even if we reject it, we can drop here to 0.86 level FIB to form like a double bottom. And after that, the size of this double bottom gonna be here. The targets guys absolutely still relevant, because it's this block like zone of fixation, swing trades, this one. And this one is zone of fixation. And to buy now or not, it's up to you. I skip it. I skip it the dogs, I skip it the Catizen. Some of them can perform pretty good one, like a Pengu. But with the Pengu was a totally another story. You saw the marketing campaign and Binance added to the Twitter page, the avatar with the Pengu, the Coinbase, some in Korea adoption of the Pengu. So I don't think so. The same will be with the hamster. To see the hamster, Catizen, the dogs, not coin, we need to see the performance of ton. I don't see any hype around the ton coin now. So the zone of fixation, it will be here at 0.2082. And from the bottom, it can be like 1000% gain. So guys, trust me, it will be just insane gains. With the speculative token, just insane gains. Here was a support till penny. We bounce it, reject at this zone like resistance, trying again, resistance, drop. Now, the same story. To talk about an uptrend, we need to break this high, or at least close the full fill 0.2019. If we talk about a monthly time frame here, the same story. So 0.2019, it's full fill of this. Now we form this gap, so it would be good to see the continuation higher, because if not, guys, it's gonna be the bad story. So it can be, like here, pump and crash it down in August once again. The target for fixation will be absolutely still the same. If this token is not a pure scam, we can't know in a moment. If we talk about, daily, also you can always double check like this one. So this is a liquidity pool. Under this level is a lot of stop losses. So technically, yes, it's possible to see this move and to this target. Maybe this is going to be the end of cycle for this token. So guys, not all tokens will perform like 5,000, 10,000% gains. So just in case, let's take a look guys with my customer request, what's going on now for hamster. I highly recommend you, by the way guys, in education purpose, just go and double check the main video about a hamster. So here's the accumulation was at 0.3086. After that, we formed the divergence on a daily 0.3066, for example, and now we get a pump. Here was a main signal of accumulation, and now we perform. If you catch exact bottom, now I guess you're in profit Not 100% yet. So after 100% profit, guys, withdraw initial deposit if you catch exact bottom. So just in case. To buy now or not, it's up to you. Targets global one for the wide sector of altcoins is here. So this is a swing trade. Invalidation, of course, you know. If we talk about the weekly time frame, here's an accumulation pump. Accumulation. Now I would like to see the continuation to 0.2024. If we want to talk about the global targets. If not, it can be the sideways and the drop again. We at the bottom on the direction, but still without any signal, still aphoria. So I guess some big guys can distribute their free tokens. So just be careful, guys. Sometimes better skip the token than just invest randomly. Weekly, here's the bottom. This one, here's the top. Here's the bottom again, but without any money inflow. It's kind of weird. Daily, yes, some money inflow. 1, 2, 3. 3 days money inflow, 1, 2, 5 days it was money inflow. Now we're at the top. So soon, I guess, after 100% or 100% 50, we'll see some money outflow. It will be not a sales, it will be just the whales withdraw initial deposit. And of course, we will see the correction. And the last indicator, guys, to trade on main signal to buy was June 9 at 0.3065. Now no signal to sell. We need to see something like this one, pump, sell, drop. We're gonna sell by recommendation close some part of position, no signals to sell. That's why I wish to see the continuation like a speculation to 0.2025. So just in case, weekly, nothing, no signals to buy or sell. Take profit, guys, the last indicator, weekly, no data. Here it's the daily one. We break the drop on the fundamental value. Fundamental value was here at 0.3085. Now the buy line 0.201145. Take profit line 0.2022. Exit line exactly at this liquidity pool at 61 level by FIB. So guys, I hope of course we'll go to the exit line, maybe even higher. You know, after that we can drop again and form the deep correction on Hamster. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.